What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Just J21X on YouTube once again, y'all. I want to say good afternoon to each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at a car meet once again, y'all. Basically at the Walmart for Hump Day Cruise. We're gonna go ahead and check some cars out, see what they have. Let's just get right into it, y'all. Here we go. Got this mirror right over here and the Beamer right over here. I got a couple cars.
You got a tail hanging out your door.
And got this mirror. You just got the bumper.
Y-band.
Got the C8 right here, very nice. And we also got the Camaro, the Bumblebee spec. Very nice seeing that. Then we got the C8 right over here. Very nice white looking C8. And the Shelby right here. We've been seeing this for so long. Rare brakes and everything. And then we have a Shelby GT350 right here. I think this is a 350R if I be honest. Got the nice blue stripes, got the Camaro right here, and a 5.0 Mustang. It's a Nissan 350Z right here. Got the same one we've seen many times before. Very nice drop top interior. We got the Vet right here. We just pulled up, y'all. We also have the Honda right here, my boy. Love to see that out as well. Got the Nissan 370Z with the underglow, and got the Shelby GT350, and then we have the Shelby GT500, the old model, and we also have the 5.0 Mustang and the CTSV and the GTR right here. And way over here we have the Camaro right here, got the BMW and that Honda. Very nice to end the lineup with the carbon hood too. Very nice lineup. Over here, y'all, we got some C8s. We got this one right here. Got this white one right here. Nice. Love to see that. We also have the Mustang right here. And we also have the Camaro SS right here. Very nice seeing that as well. And this SS right here as well too. Got a C6 rolling in right here, nice. Got old boy rolling in with the Velosa right there, the end. Got a 5.0 Mustang right here rolling up, Aggressive Motorsports. Got the Aggressive Motorsports Mustang right here I just found. This Mustang is pushing a whole lot of horsepower with that tire. Look at that, y'all.